May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing.
Hey guys, welcome to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I will be giving you guys a ton of laundry motivation. If you are new, I would love for you to join me and subscribe. Leave me a comment so I can get to know you, and I hope you enjoy today's cleaning motivation.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper.
In my last video, I talked to you guys and told you about when I became a homemaker and how that journey kind of started. And the reason I wanted to share a little bit more in detail is because I'm trying to get back to the root of why I started this channel so that I can help other people out there who may feel or felt the way that I did. And I've gone back and forth over and over with this channel about whether to keep pursuing it or just to quit, because let's face it, YouTube can definitely be a struggle. But then I had to ask myself a question. What is my why? And even though I've said my why about wanting to help people and stuff, I had to really get to the root of my why. Why am I here, and why do I feel the need to just keep going and that little voice saying don't give up? And that has led me to my new channel name and my new channel tagline, which is Cleaning with Meaning, because that's what I'm doing at my house. And even though OCD plays a part in that, and I probably over clean more than the average person, I want you to come to my channel and find my honesty, good and bad, about homemaking. And also, I want to share more in detail my journey with anxiety and OCD, and how decluttering, cleaning, decorating, and just being a homemaker have really helped me with those struggles. I have a passion when I meet other moms to just tell them my story and maybe help somebody else out, because I do feel so much more of a relief having done all the steps that I've done over the past 3 years. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't want to come across like I'm trying to attain perfection over here. And I understand that everybody's opinion about whether it's anxiety, OCD, or homemaking in general is going to be different. I mean, YouTube, people are watching me from all over the world, so there's going to be differing opinions. But I can personally say that people who have known me in real life say that they've seen a change with all of the changes I made, if that makes sense. And I figured that sharing my story and really going more in detail with it, that maybe I could help somebody else out there. And I really enjoy getting to know you all, and I feel very blessed to have this channel to help people and be there if they need a friend or somebody to talk to.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Now, this video is a little bit shorter of cleaning motivation. So in next video, I want to get more into when exactly I remember my anxiety starting. And I really want to share with you guys what my granddaddy said. And I also want to kind of say a disclaimer here. These are my personal stories or things that happened to me. And I just want you guys to know that anxiety and what causes it and all kind of things is not a one size fits all. So I realize that everybody's not going to be able to 100% relate to me. And I also want to say, I overclean because I have OCD, but I am not trying to attain perfection here by any means. Even if some people view it as that, that's not what I'm doing, and that's not what I'm trying to share with other people to get to do, because that's impossible. And so I just want to kind of give that little bit of a disclaimer. And with that being said, I'm looking forward to you guys joining me again so I can tell you more about that. But I had a funny thing that I remembered that popped in my head as I was doing the voiceover for this channel, and it was remembering a Dr. Phil episode. And I don't know why the lady was on the show. I can't remember, but it was about her cleaning her home. And she was just tired of laundry piling up. And so it was along the lines of a homemaking type situation. And so, I accept that laundry is ongoing at my house. You can't ever have every single thing clean. But this lady on the show felt like she could by taking off all of her clothes and washing everything in the house. And then she would clean her house naked. And they were videotaping on there, and they had her husband come on, and he said he came home one day and found her scrubbing out the bathroom naked because she wanted all of her laundry done. I just had to share that. Did you guys see that episode? Would you clean your house naked? It's definitely not for me, but I just wanted to share that with you guys because that flashed back as I was doing all of this laundry today, and I thought, wow, I just would never do that. But to her, it made her feel good, and she felt like all of her laundry was done.
Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I was too damn obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning?
I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. Leave me a comment. Have a blessed day. And as always, much love. Bye.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me.